Haswa msimu huu ametaka wazazi kuwajibika na kuzungumzia wazi swala hilo na watoto wao.
I want to reiterate that it is the responsibility of parents to ensure that their students, their daughters are well taught, they are well empowered with information, regarding pregnancy. Parents should talk to their daughters so that their daughters understand the dangers of engaging in early sexual activities at this time. So I think this is, once you empower them with knowledge, then they can make the informed decision. But just telling them, oh, don't do that, don't go there, without giving them the information, these culprits should be nabbed, and they should be punished severely to send a message that if you do that to someone's daughter, what about when it is done to your daughter? So I think it's a conversation we need to have. As much as we're talking about COVID, the number of deaths, we also need to be talking about, the number of how our society has been affected, the number of girls that have been affected by this issue, in terms of crime, in terms of gender-based violence and stuff like that.
Hatma ya shughuli za uchimbaji madini ya base titanium katika kaunti ya Kwale haijulikani baada ya kampuni hiyo kusalia na muda wa miaka 2 pekee, japo serikali na kampuni zataka muda kuongeza